Anna, good morning.
Good morning.
Today oral test, no?
Hmm.
Oral test of reading my book. Start reading.
Stand the line. Stand the line. Sleep in line. Right slant. Left slant. Right curve. Left curve. Up curve. Down curve. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S S T U V W X Y Z.
Z.
G.
Turn the page.
చెప్పచ్చు.
Turn the page. Okay, అయితే.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. మ్యామ్ నేను ఫాస్ట్గా చేస్తా డాన్స్. సుశీల మ్యామ్ వస్తే నేను ఫాస్ట్గా చేస్తా.
Okay.
సుశీల మ్యామ్ వస్తే అదేంటిది?
Throw it aside.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Red, yellow, blue, purple, pink, white, black, brown, black. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jet, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nurse, O for orange, P for peacock, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sheep, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for fan, W for watch, X for cipher, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Eyes, nose.
Video is running.
అదేంటిది?
బొమ్మ చూడు. See the figure. Arm.
Arm, feet, knee, head, ears, mouth, fingers, toes.
Good job.
We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We smell with our nose. We touch with our tongue. We touch with our hands.
Good job.
Grapes, apple, mango, banana. Ma'am, video one చేస్తుందా?
Yes, it's running.
Grapes, apple, mango, banana, orange, pomegranate, lemon, okay.
What is that fruit? Puppy.
Papaya, custard apple, pineapple, cranberry, guava, coconut, pear, bugs, watermelon, cherry, strawberry, peach, okay.
What is that? Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit, blackberry, blueberry, peach, muskmelon, olive, avocado, potato, tomato, brinjal, radish, onion, garlic, brinjal,
Lettuce go.
pickle, cauliflower, pumpkin, carrot, ginger, chili, capsicum, spinach, cucumber. Adi?
What is that? Go to next one. Jackfruit.
Jackfruit, mushroom, beetroot, broccoli, and avocado.
Good job.